Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Orbiter Finance Airdrop. I am doing an update on this and I think you need to claim your NFTs now. You only have 9 days before this ends, and this could bring you the Orbiter Airdrop that we have been waiting. Like always in my videos, I'm going to tell you step by step on how to do this. We are going to know exactly from the official sources why I think this could be the airdrop now that we were waiting. And I covered it already on March of this year, the Orbiter airdrop. So if you have been doing that, then these NFTs are going to be very great opportunity for you. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well if you watched this video of Orbiter Finance that I did on March of this year, you will be already doing a lot of transactions on this application. So Orbiter Finance allow you to bridge tokens, mostly Ethereum and stablecoins, from one chain into another chain. This appeared as a necessity when many of the layer 2 solutions appear in the market. Right now you have many chains here, not only layer 2s, but was specifically built for that. So this project works really well and is one of the pioneers and one of the best ones in terms of volume that they bridge. So Orbiter Finance, of course, you probably have been using it already from a while if you started when I did this video in March of this year. So if you did that, you will be in a great position for this airdrop. And this project is not small. You can see more than 500,000 followers here, and continue expanding functionality, and you can see they even have the "we are hiring" in the top of the Twitter account. So this project has money, this project has been earning a lot on the transaction fees for those bridges. And when you are in the app, you can see here that you have some quests to do, and you can see that all contributors will be converted soon, and you can earn points doing this task. For example, bridging one transaction of any amount of Ethereum from any chain to LINEA. So there was a lot of points competition here that you can earn doing stuff through LINEA. So I recommend you to do this task and get these points. But the video of today is not about that, it's about the Orbiter's only official pilot NFT series. You can see there's a deadline of 9 days. So I recommend you to go and do this right now that you are seeing the video. This is already pinned on the comments of the Twitter account, and you can see that it reads, "Big thanks to all our users for joining Orbiter Finance on this incredible journey through 2023. The Orbiter Pilot NFT series is our only official NFT release, and the minting of these NFTs will end on the 20th of December. Holders of these NFTs will be recorded as early contributors to Orbiter's loyalty program." And this is very important because I can see an airdrop behind these words. Be part of it, so go to Galax and we are going to see that. And these NFTs are going to give you probably 0 points, which is what they already launched with LINEA. So do those points and get these NFTs. And I am thinking that this is going to be part of the possible airdrop. So once you go here to the Galax, you can see there are a couple of campaigns here. And all these NFTs depend on how many transactions you have been doing on the Orbiter Finance application. Here you can see exactly how many. So the first Orbiter Trainee Pilot NFT is if you transferred 3 to 9 transactions on Orbiter Finance. The next one is from 10 to 49. Then to 50 to 99, and so on. So there are 5 NFTs, and it's very easy to get this. In the current account that I am showing you, I have been doing a couple of transactions, and you can see I already claimed the first 2 NFTs, the trainee and the pilot NFT here. And you can see that I am connected with my wallet already here, so I am not eligible for the next NFTs. But this is also good because you don't need to have Discord or Twitter to get these NFTs. You just can go to Galax and connect directly with your MetaMask account. So if you have been farming airdrops like myself, you will probably have all your different wallets available to at least get the first trainee pilot NFT. So getting points for this Orbiter Finance possible airdrop with all your farming application wallets is going to be massive if they really do an airdrop after all. And if you have been using Orbiter like a lot with some of your wallets, I even get the NFT number 4. That means that I was able to get the Expert Pilot NFT because I did more than 100 bridges over the year. Not all my wallets that I've been using for farming have the same amount of transactions on Orbiter Finance, but I can guarantee you that you probably are going to be at least on the trainee pilot NFT if you have been farming different airdrops on these ecosystems. So this is a great opportunity. Go here to the official link of Twitter of Orbiter Finance. Be part of it, go into the Galaxy link. So once you are here on the Galaxy link, you can just claim your NFTs using Polygon. You will need to have a little bit of Matic on your account to pay the transaction. So remember that you will need on each of your wallets have a little bit of Matic in your account. So guys, this is all. I think these points are going to be part of the airdrop that we were waiting, and of course it's all based on your contribution and usage of the protocol. But if you were like me that organically you used Orbiter Finance to do transactions, you probably have a lot of chances to get a lot of points for these quests. Remember to go to my subscription page. This is bring you by people on my Discord that are making thousands of money with different airdrops. Now we are really focused on Solana airdrops like Cheeto, thousands of dollars on that one, PIF and many others. So if you want to make money in crypto, specifically in airdrops, go to my Discord. We also cover another crypto strategies and investment projects like the gamify ecosystem industry, but we are really focused on airdrops right now. There are many airdrops that we are collecting. And I have an application that is going to help you a lot to get all your wallets applying and getting track of everything that you do on your airdrop journey. So get to my subscriptions and don't forget to check more of my videos. You just go to the video section or search here in the icon and you will get a lot of information about projects. For example, GaryCoin is a centralized justice issue project, the first one on the community against all the oppressors in the crypto space. So this is the coverage for the airdrop of Orbiter. I really think that it's going to be an airdrop based on all these points for this quest. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.